Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to slow down a video on the TikTok. So if you want to slow down your video on the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on this plus icon, and now click on this tick icon. Once you will do it, now here you will see effect option, so you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, here you have to swipe to the left and you have to click on the time, and here you will see slow-mo. Once you will click on the slow-mo, your video will be slow-mo as you will see, and click on the save. So this is the procedure to slow down a video on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.